Aren't you working? We just installed a new system in the lab, and you're supposed to do method development. What are you doing?
Just relax, will ya? I am doing method development. The Thermo scientific Chameleon software is doing it for me. The complete ISQ 7000 is really easy to use. I just needed to set up the parameters and the system is doing the experiments for me.
Why aren't you in the lab? Is the method development done? Well, you gotta start doing the validations. Come on, get a move on, girl. Let's get in the lab.
All the validations are running. The Chameleon software is doing an excellent job. Plus, all our peaks look perfect. It looks like we will have excellent sensitivity.
You know, we really made a great choice with the ISQ 7000 GCMS single quad system.
Oh yes.
I even have time to play tennis now.
And honestly, I'm getting a bit bored now. Clever software tools, hardly any maintenance, and we're hitting all our analytical targets so easily.
Shall we have a few thoughts about our next steps in the laboratory? Summer won't last forever, but before, we enjoy.